Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. Well, sorry for delay, guys. I was trying to connect my OBS. For some reason, I had some issue. Okay, what we have so far? We have 15-minute fair value gap on both yes and Q, trying to hold this fair value gap. Well, still inside OT. Where's my phone? Still inside OT. Well, let's see how we can respect this fair value gap, perfect fair value gap, how we can react from there. Because I cannot say like I am bullish, because obviously I'm bearish right now. But this retracement was kind of deep. I mean, I expected this retracement to get 15 at fair value gap, but still trying to hold this fair value gap, which feels like strange. Yes, below weekly open, thank you above weekly open. So today can be tricky because CPI tomorrow. I will not be surprised to see they will try to push us higher, but overall I am bearish anyway. So let's see how it goes. Hello, everyone. Hello. So we have SMT so far between yes and Q. London high still remains higher. But once again, for some reason, I feel like they will try to push us higher today simply because CPI tomorrow. I feel like this. The London high looks nice at this point. London high on and Q looks nice. I'm not entirely sure about yes, but don't mind as well. I'm going to do this OT. So looks interesting. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Once again, if I'm looking for higher today, doesn't mean like I'm bullish at this point. Since CPI tomorrow, CPI actually can just bring this lower. Maybe it makes sense to push us higher. But once again, I'm British anyway. Just my opinion about this. Give me 1 second. Well, so trying to offer the test of previous week low level. I like how previous week low close to London high. Yeah, I feel like London high will be taken at this point. Seems like perfect market maker buy model right here on lower time frame. I'm not talking about high time frame at all, because if I want to go on high time frame right now, definitely be inside probably second stage of redistribution. So this move up is fine. And where we can go, for example, we have hourly breaker block higher, which is like solid 400 points higher. So try to stay away from predicting right now. I believe it doesn't really make sense. So we have first presented right here. Yes, ES doesn't have yet. Let me see, give me 1 second. First presented fair value gap. Yeah, only we have immediate rebalance right here. ES doesn't have first presented fair value gap yet. Let's try to pull some projections. What like I would like to use, I have no idea. Probably this one already hit, in my opinion. Not in my opinion, obviously. Visibly we hit this level already. Okay, this means we don't have something on 1 minute chart. What about 5 minute chart? Big leg right here. Do we have any SMT? Not really. Not going to use this leg for projections, and I will use this one. Look at this first standard deviation right above previous week low level and right below London high. Makes sense at this point, makes sense. Let's pull right here. A first standard deviation right above London high. Okay, I'm going to stay with these projections for now. Okay, price doesn't want to close below first presented fair value gap right here. Okay. Because I anticipate to get like some sort of games today. They will try to play these games before CPI, probably, because CPI will offer main move tomorrow. Anyway, my opinion about Tuesday high of the week still remains the same. Just for now, nothing changed. And not going to lie, yesterday I expect to get Wednesday expansion lower. Right now, kind of tricky. But we will see how it goes. So ES doesn't have first presented, so I cannot long right now, obviously. Sometimes it's just hard to long bearish market on high time frame, but nothing wrong with this. If you see long, for example, on lower time frame for retracement on high time frame, nothing wrong with this. What else can we see right now? What else? Not really. SMT, nothing yet. Price hit 2 and 2.5 on both ES and NQ. Okay, let's say it wants to reverse like from here. Waiting for 5 minute structure at this point. I'm not going to blindly trust CPI tomorrow, guys. I'm not going to blindly trust 1 minute chart right now. I'm going to stay with 5 minute chart at least for entry. At least for confirmation, you know. Yes, 1 hour has breaker block right here, which is higher. Let's see. Pretty sure no reason to predict something. We have equal lows lower, which is Monday low. Only the question if we want to hit this equal lows today or tomorrow. So today is kind of tricky day, so I'm not going to predict and highly recommend to continue trading small size, guys. Let's try to be smart and understand this range. Don't be shy to trade micros. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. Just be smart, guys. We're still bullish. ES still doesn't have first presented, but it looks like trying to respect first presented on NQ. Yeah, London high so close right now. I like how forced deviation so close to this London high. Let's pray for liquidity level at least. Let's see how it goes. Today at 2 p.m. we have FOMC minutes. It's not exactly the same as meeting. It's going to be completely different, but still will offer volatility, right? Going to switch back on 5 minute chart. Okay, I'm going to add high time frame candles right now and this separator. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we got 3-minute liquidity sweep right here. Let's switch on 3-minute chart real quick. Okay, price never retraced to the 3-minute order block right here. That's not that bad, but right here, 924 retraced to this order block on 3-minute chart. Not a perfect scenario for our continuation, in my opinion, but still valid. Not perfect does not mean bad. So see, price expected this order block like to the tick and just continue going higher. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, we took London high on a Q, trying to go to London high on a yes right now. Once again, we have forced standard deviation right above London high. Yeah, actually, our yesterday idea maybe initially didn't look great, but I'm not going to lie. Yesterday, we traded from the top. Our entry was absolutely amazing. Entry in hindsight. Couldn't be better. Yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. If not trades today, I mean, okay. Is that bad? I would not say it's bad. CPI tomorrow. If not trades today, we will trade tomorrow. Like, nothing wrong with this. Be positive, guys. Be positive. Slowly going to 1 hour breaker block. I didn't like have fear to close early. And when I close early, I'm like, okay. I'm like, I don't want to be greedy. Like, in my opinion, when it's hit my first level, and once again, I don't want to be greedy, I'm a conservative trader. If I see conservative target, I will take it. So, that's it. That's it. So yeah, if tomorrow CPI will offer like clean delivery, I guess post CPI will also be nice. Close too early, it's okay, guys. Nothing wrong with this. Profit is profit. Not that smart to be set with pink green. I was okay yesterday. Also, I traded options yesterday. Got puts from the top. So, wasn't that bad. Because I expected we will drop. We should drop, but well, it's okay. Happy with my performance yesterday. Let's see how it goes today. Exactly. Okay, we hit forced standard deviation both yes and Q. 20 R for yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, by the way, once again, our entry was absolutely amazing because just even hindsight, it could not be better, in my opinion. So it was I traded TQQ. Strike was 37. I closed yesterday. It was TQQ chart. So 37. Actually, it was like exactly 37 by 350. I closed 347. It was 347 when I closed, like somewhere right here. Yeah, it was nice. Well, let's see what it will offer. So far, just trying to give us reaction from forced standard deviation. I didn't see a lot on 5-minute chart right now. I like this week right here. Huge week, huge week. We got sequence of up-close candles. Obviously hard to consider like just one candle for order block. Just for now. So we will see. I cannot see stop right now to short. I will keep you updated if I see something. You want to see 4-hour breaker block? Well, lines up with 1-hour breaker block. We will see. Yeah, it's still higher. Cannot say like see the structure right now to short. I mean, I'm not saying like we cannot drop right now. Just would like to get the structure. And guys, we got first presented on a yes is which is right here, completely different level, right? Okay. Honestly, don't know how to react on this. Today I'm going to trade Apex account, so I highly recommend them because I personally trade them. So yeah, no complaints about this. Yes, first fair value gap on a yes, exactly. Let's see if we invert this. We didn't have any news, right? Even like yesterday's structure was obvious. Right now, I cannot say like I want to short simply because I want to short. Like no structure for this yet, right? We got 4 up close candles right here. With this leg down, nothing significant happened. So we did not retrace to any levels right here. We did not retrace to invert. Like nothing happened yet. If it wants to drop, I mean, probably it will drop without me because I cannot find a structure for this. We have FOMC minutes at 2 today, 2 p.m. But for 4 a.m. session looks like nothing. Only the problem we don't have any important SMTs, at least minor SMT to consider something. Well, nothing wrong with this, just nothing yet. Okay, what we have right now on gold. Tricky structure on gold. What about silver? Maybe we have SMT. It's annoying because silver looks like consolidation for like second day for like market maker by model on 5-minute chart, but pretty much consolidation. Don't really like it, unfortunately. Okay, I'm going to keep my eyes. Well, Gold, nothing interesting. I'm not on trade, so not trades yet for today. Not going to lie, was hoping to get price higher. Okay. We will see. Look at this rejection from forced standard deviation. Rejection, retracement, hard to talk about reversal because structure not confirmed for reversal. So I'm saying like we don't have market smart money reversal yet. It's just reaction down. Maybe it's first presented for a value gap because price trying to respect this so far. Okay. Still bullish, at least nothing invalidates this yet. Makes sense to keep our eyes on 5-minute chart. By the way, let me switch on 5-minute chart on IntraDay, so I will keep my eyes on this. Yeah, still grading higher. Looks like we retraced to 5-minute breaker block, right? Right here. Price retraced to this breaker block. Amazing. Also feels like, yeah, in Q retraced to small hourly fair value gap, so close to breaker block, but did not reach breaker block yet. And yes, still below small, pretty much small hourly fair value gap. Can I say this SMT? Not really. Probably not. So breaker block, for example, if you're looking for real quick. So for bearish breaker block, we want to see high, low, higher high, lower low formed. And once we got higher high, lower low, we consider this as breaker block. Down close candle. So down close candle right here, red candle, black candle, depends on your color, right? Is going to be a breaker block. Why down close candle? Who knows why down close candle is going to be breaker block? Who can tell me? Who knows? Why down close candle is breaker block? Why not up close candle? What's wrong with up close candle at this point? Why I want to consider down close candle? That's a simple question. Who knows? I see one right answer. Not because of that. Exactly. Because that's failed order block. Amazing job, guys. Yes, that's because that's failed order block. So breaker block is going to be failed order block. Perfect. You smart, guys. Good job. So at this point, if I want to switch, for example, on hourly chart, and let's see, high, low, higher high, lower low formed. So we consider this. We can consider actually two candles. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. But it's okay. I mean, who cares? I just prefer to consider last. It's personal preference. So that's failed order block, which give us structure for what? For breaker block. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Here we go. We got breaker block. Simple, right? Simple, right? Great, I learned something at least. You were first who said that, by the way. About failed order block. Good job. Good job. Good job. Simple. Yes. So which model is better, 15-minute fair value gap or order block? I guess that's personal preference. Order block give us early entry, which I like more, because fair value gap need to wait at least like 45 minutes to form fair value gap on 15-minute chart, right? So my personal preference is order block. The bullish candle around 7. Which time frame? 5-minute chart? Which time frame? 1 hour chart. Give me 1 second. I will check for you. It's around 5 a.m. It just was last swing right here before moving higher. Right here it's like pullback. So I'm not ready to consider this as breaker block. It was just like minor pullback, retrace, like nothing, right? But right here it was last swing before continuing going higher. So makes sense to consider like 2 candles, 1 candle, it's up to you. Exactly same by the way in yes, as you can see. I personally like to use 1 candle, but you can use 2, like sequence of candles. And down to 9 p.m. I mean, like last swing low. At this point, we can use 1 a.m. Oh, once we got... Okay, 15-minute P0 will be nice. Order block, fair value gap, every single P0 is fine. And yeah, it was bullish candle right here. Like still nothing, because we want to see like move higher. I mean, like we want to consider last swing low right here, because right after this swing low, price continue going higher. Right here, just continue going lower. I mean, who cares about this? Just like retracement, continuation, offer a sweep, reversed. Like we don't really need to care about like lower low at this point, because we are waiting for price to trace back to this breaker block. Which swing low we need to consider, like whatever, I would say. Oh, as a breaker. Yes, it can be breaker block. Yes. Exactly. Yes, you can use this as breaker block. I'm sorry, I didn't get your your question initially. So yeah, exactly. Good point. Okay, guys, what we have so far? Small 3-minute fair value gap, price to trace there. I don't know, I feel like we will go higher. Doesn't mean like I'm bullish, I just would like to see higher. Maybe it's too much to ask for the test our 1 hour breaker block. Maybe not too much to ask, but please. Yeah, like second stage of reaccumulation. Exactly right. This is what I'm looking for right now. Higher, yeah. Me too. They play like lots of games right now. Once again, to short, we need to get the structure, right? Price cannot reverse from nowhere. It's tricky right now. We don't have any SMT, just nothing yet. Just for now. Because right now, like price on both yes and Q trying to stay inside British 4-hour fair value gap, as you can see. But once again, once we got 4-hour British PDRA, bullish PDRA, I don't care. Like we need to use 5-minute structure to consider market maker, buy model or sell model. Depends on PD ray. Right now, we have absolutely nothing. We need to get some sort of order block or something to say like, okay, I want to short of this 4-hour fair value gap. Can I short right now? I cannot. For example, at this point, once again, just would like to show you guys. I'm going to delete these projections because we already hit them. We can see price right now inside 4-hour fair value gap. And we have this order block right here, right? So if we want to just highlight this order block right here, as you can see, it just lines up with breaker block, which makes me feel like, yeah, please, let's just retrace there. So mean threshold of this order block is right here and is right here. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, nothing right now to say. I'm just trying to say, like, if I want to look for continuation higher, from what level I want to long. For this, of course, we can use this inverted chart. I know why it looks so obvious right here. How is it possible? Who can explain this magic? Please tell me. I can't understand this. How is it possible to see picture better at this when it sells off? Painful, right? By the way, it was not only like 1-minute breaker block, also be trade to this order block, to this 5-minute breaker block right here. Just great. Also nice to see this. See? It's 1-minute chart, guys. Look at this down close candle. Just for your information, this range is 60 points. What? How's it impossible? Along there. Oh, that's nice. Slowly going to this breaker block. For those who long from this order block on 1-minute chart to breaker block on 5-minute chart, you did an absolutely amazing job, because right here it looks amazing. Just right here, right? Just trying to analyze high time frame right now to see what is going on there. Because I just feel like price wants to trace to 4-hour order block, which is still higher. Sorry guys that I'm jumping between these charts right here. Just interesting, but to see what is going on. For 2 minutes? No, you need to have inversion for this. Oh, okay. 5-minute breakup block if you look. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you. You know what's the problem right now? Not really like problem. But yeah, you said it's moving slow right now. Yeah, I totally agree with you. But guys, just for your information, candle range, this is the problem. 60 points. Like between 60 100 points. That's absolutely crazy. In my humble opinion. So once again, let's see how it goes. Because right now we're still trying to stay inside for a value gap and waiting for structure. At least something. We got potential swing right here. Okay, first good sign for us. $160. Are you serious? Okay, Dasha, calm down. Calm down. It's not huge stop loss at this point. Calm down. Calm down. Right now, yeah, we have inversion on 2-minute chart. This is absolutely crazy. Stop loss. It's not about like I cannot trade like one micro. I mean, I can. I just can like $400 per trade. Just. Okay, Dasha. Okay, Dasha. It's shock. I know. What I want to say about this? I don't know. We're still inside for a while gap projection also from for our PD rate. I mean, like, I was just like looking at this range, absolutely amazing range. Just guys, for your information, current candle, this candle right here, is only keyword only 90 points. Keyword only. No, I'm not in. I mean, I don't mind, but not in. Wow, guys. That's nothing. Like, that's absolutely amazing explanation of this price action. That's nothing. Like, 200 point stop loss is nothing anymore. And Q is my like third baby. Yeah. But girl doesn't want to listen to me today. Yeah, I don't mind to see like structure to downside, but once again, just open 5-minute chart and try to find something there. From what I can see, it's 2-minute chart on my Ninja Trader. Let me switch on 5-minute chart. We don't have order block on 5-minute chart yet. I'm going to show you right now. See? We don't have order block even yet right here. Let's wait for the structure at least on 5-minute chart. That's 5-minute chart, by the way. Nothing yet. For example, here's example of breaker block. I mean, like just formation. We got what? High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Price did not retrace to this breaker block yet, but that's breaker block. Hello, Michael. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. We We're just fighting this this huge range, Like life did not prepare me to have huge range on 1 minute chart. Like trying to adapt myself. 1 second. 1 second. Well, well. If my displays from this breaker, oh my god, what's going on with the stop loss? If I may displays, guys, on 1 minute chart, I can actually give it a try. Not right now, just I may give it a try if I made my displays. Let's see. Let's see. You clearly can see my trading platform, not I'm not in. A bit painful, but it's okay. Well, price retrace to first presented fair value gap on ES. Interesting how we can react from this first presented. So some trades so far, guys. Not even disappointed. I mean, like, that's fine so far. So far, like, missed like 100 points. It's okay. A bit annoying, but not disappointed. Not disappointed with this. No, I did not. Okay, I'm trying to be focused right now. Let's see how it goes. So we got mitigation block right here. Let's see what we can do with this. It's not mitigation order block. That's mitigate. It's mitigation block, not order block. Yeah, we have it. Not trades. Yeah, nothing yet. Sitting with 0 trades so far. No, it shows executions. Okay. Okay, going to wait. Just not going to be in rush. Because 1 minute structure looks absolutely brilliant right now, but about 5 minutes. Okay, 1 second. I'm just trying to be more focused right now. Minute chart doesn't tell me a lot right now. Okay, sitting on my hands, guys. You know what is funny, guys? Right here, like, this move doesn't like look great, like so big. It's small move, right? But it was 100 points. Just for information, guys, right here we dropped 124. Funny, right? Funny. For me, it's very important to stay, if it wants to continue going lower, for me, it's very important to stay preferably inside this breaker block, not higher, I would say. Or, for example, we taking out this high right here, 1 minute order block right here, try to short then. You got this. I mean, so yeah, maybe something like this. It will offer 1 minute order block. If we take this high right here, like sweep, then bearish order block, then maybe, okay, at this point I will give it a try, but right now, nothing. So, nothing. You got my point, so let's see how it goes. Maybe it will offer SMT, I don't know, like something. So guys, a quick check right here. What is going on? Inverted looks completely different. I'm sorry, guys. Just it's better to see for me. So yeah, let's see what will happen if we take this high over here. Of course, if we may take this, I know. Yeah, sitting on my hands right now, waiting for structure to confirm entry. Don't have any SMT yet. Still nothing on lower time frame. Okay. Looks like he is trying to stay inside mitigation block right here. Stuck at this 1 minute chart. Let's see what is going on high time frame. Sweep. 7 minutes left on 30-minute chart. Let's see if it may offer sweep right here. Maybe it makes sense to wait. Yeah, to offer 30-minute sweep for our structure. Seven minutes left until 10:30. You trading yes? What happened? Wow, I'm surprised to see this. Sitting with zero trades, guys, so far. Waiting, maybe it will offer something for me. So running this high, as we discussed before. He's just in here. Okay. Well. Okay, from what I can see, so far we have SMT. Not confirmed yet, but we have SMT. Yes, we have SMT. Exactly. About 15-minute chart, exactly. Yeah, see how we're trying to respect first presented? I noticed when, for example, let's say we drop in, but exactly the same situation for when we're going higher. And yes, reach first present very well, but like, let's say in Q in the middle of nowhere, most of the time we see retracement. I don't know how it works, but that's crazy. Like, literally crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What time is this? 5 minutes left until the new 30-minute candle. Let's see if it wants to offer SIP for us. If not, then not. Then that's okay. That's life. The reason how they're trying to consolidate right here is that's extremely annoying right now. Yeah, I'm waiting. That's why I said order block. Then it's going to be twin setup right here, twins model with two 1 minute fair value gaps. Yes, that's what I meant. No, I'm not in trade. And loss of hair. When you trade in Q, that's normal picture. Like to have gray hair, problem with losing hair. I'm sorry, guys. That's part of NQ trading. Not enough stress in your life, trade NQ. My recommendation. Doesn't want to offer 1 minute order block. Are you serious? So right here, it doesn't want to create order block. That's why I'm sitting on my hands. My plan, I already said that. If it wants to create order block after we sweep this high, I will give it a try. Maybe with 2 micros. But since no order block, no entry. So simple. Also, look at this. ES also failed to offer order block. Oh my god. Miss? I will tell you a secret. 200 points, stop loss. It's only 4K with 1 minute. Only. Affordable, right? Affordable. Everyone can afford this. Okay, guys, be more focused right now. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this for now. Just it overlaps. I'm going to leave this one. Very affordable. I tell you, like, very affordable price. So we got 30-minute sweep price, guys. We just did trace to 30-minute order block. So that's amazing. Let me show you, by the way. Right here, we got 30-minute sweep. Price trying to stay below 50% of this week, but body right here is crazy. Price did trace right now to 3-minute order block, waiting for at this candle for another 3-minute order block, which by the way will line up with this potential order block on 1-minute chart. Then we will see how it goes. Trading plan is buy or sell. Exactly. Easy. Exactly. Perfect plan, right? Need to get some water. Once again, there is 1-minute order. It's potential order block. It failed right here. That's why no trades. I mean, that's why no shorts. I'm not talking about trades. No shorts. Yeah, buy and premium, sell and discount. That's true story in these perfect times nowadays, right? So reason why I don't want to short right now, I told you my plan. If it wants to sweep and offer order block, I will give it a try. What happens right here with this up close candle? It failed. So no trades at this point. I mean, no shorts at this point. I'm not talking about trades. Because I call this like fake change in the state of delivery or something like this. I know, like, guys, my question for you, like, let's pretend we don't know what chart is this. Looking at this chart, like, ignore time frame, ignore, like, it's not in queue. What would you do? Ignore color as well. I need to just change this. It looks bearish, right? Just looking at, yeah, sell, right? I don't know why. Wait. I don't know why it's so obvious. Oh my god, that's funny. So, in my opinion, inversion fair value gap. Oh, you know, oh, you learned your word in your trading. Inversion fair value gap. Yes. Yeah, I inverted. It's just better this year. Thank you for liquidity. I mean, we cannot be liquidity because we were in a trade. Like, our sim funded account cannot be liquidity. Nothing new to you? Okay. Look at this market. Trying to be bullish. Bullish, we have a 1-hour breaker block higher. I'm from Belarus. Nothing interesting on gold, so nothing. No any SMT between gold and silver right now. Just kind of not in sync, right? CL. Let's see what is going on CL. We got sweep right here. Nothing yet right here. So we got for SIP and price just trace to this fair value gap so far on 15-minute chart on CL. We have fair value gap on for chart right here. So if price wants to trace, only somewhere right here is my interest. This fair value gap, British fair value gap. That's it. No interest. We got wickless candle, exactly. Keeping my eyes on 3-minute chart right now because we got 30-minute sweep right here. Price it trace on SPX to just inversion fair value gap on 2-minute chart. Trying to just PX this. Let's see if we might get imminent inversion fair value gap. Imminent inverted fair value gap. Let's see if we might take something. Stop loss is crazy. Half of you don't you know, like, you don't support right now. This blue line is potential order block on 3-minute chart. Dasha, calm down, calm down. It's not order block yet. Guys, it's not trade idea. Trade idea will be based on 3-minute order block. I don't know why they're trying to play games right now. Okay, I will give it 10 more minutes and I will be done. Don't want to sit and wait for something to happen. Zero shares taken, guys. So far, you can see, like, no executions. Nothing for today. It's annoying, yes. But, okay, part of the game. I mean, like, no trades. I cannot find setup to enter the trade. Funny to say, like every single setup that I considered today invalidated, like, did not even form. Not invalidated. Did not even form. They don't want to validate structure to short for some reason. Why? I don't know, like, why. They simply don't want to do this. It's the day when I am going to stop streaming and it will go in our favor. Classic picture, guys. Classic picture. Yeah, totally possible. I only put magnets when I'm in trade. Since no trades, no magnets. Forget about this, guys. FOMC minutes, like, I don't know. Maybe it will offer, like, lunch setup. I don't know, like, we will see. We will see, guys. Just all I want to say right now, no interest in trading. Like, a huge range. Price doesn't want to offer any short idea, at least on medium time frame. Like, okay, not on medium time frame, on 3-minute chart. I will stay away probably. Yeah, tomorrow is CPI, that's why probably. Okay, guys, I'm going to disconnect my accounts just because I cannot see any good setups and quality setup right now. I mean, doesn't want to form any setups yet. Probably I'm going to be done for IM session. Once I'm finished, you can see, like, perfect move. Three-minute order block can be short opportunity, but once again, right now, it's just crazy. At least format of this order block. Okay, I already disconnected. I already disconnect account. So I'm going to be done, guys. Not going to sit and wait for magic to happen. No, not disconnected. Connected. I know, like, disconnected. Cannot see my accounts. Okay, guys, going to be done for the same session. No trades. We will try tomorrow after post CPI price action. just I don't feel like I need to trade right now. I see like I cannot find A plus setup for me. If I cannot find A plus setup for me, just not going to trade. Like as simple as that. Okay. My advice: try to not make stupid mistakes. Right? You're smart people. Trade high quality setup. If you see like high quality setup, you can answer why it's high quality setup. Enter the trade. When you see like it's just chopper like we have right now, like 200 points up, 200 points down, I didn't want to be part of this. Yeah, we'll stay away. Maybe lunch will offer something. If nothing today, then tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this stream with no trades. Like, no even attempt to trade something. Because it did not form any setups that I would like to see. I clearly can see this is just time distortion right now. Price doesn't want to move up and down. Just stuck in this consolidation. Yeah, no reason to take unnecessary losses at this point. Okay, guys. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. Don't make stupid mistakes. Right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, sometimes no trades is like winning day. It's green day for me. Yeah, exactly. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Price simply doesn't want to drop right now. Just try to avoid taking low risk sells. I mean, no, low probability sell. Take low risk sell. Like, don't take low probability trades. And guys, see you tomorrow. Let me see your question. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.